Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply open up your Play Store application and just simply update your Facebook application. So after updating the Facebook application, you have to just simply open up the Facebook. So after opening up the Facebook, you have to just simply click on the top left corner of your profile. So after tapping on that your profile, you have to just simply scroll down and find your reel on which you want to tag someone. So here I don't have any reel posted, but I have posted some photos. So you guys can apply the same method on reels, but I'm gonna applying on photos. So for that you have to just simply go through your profile and find the reel in which you want to add someone, tag someone. So assume that this photo is the reel and you want to tag someone in this post. So you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three dots, and here you have to just simply click on edit post. So after clicking on edit post, now you guys can see the below panel. So you have to just simply click on the second option, which is tag. So you have to just simply click on this tag button to tag someone, and here you guys can tag easily someone which you want. So this method is same applicable on the reel also. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.